Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review for the Spillproof lids. So these fit on tumblers. This one in particular are for 30-ounce tumblers, but it's also available in a 20-ounce size. And these are both 2-packs, but you can get them in a single pack as well. So here's the first one. Fits most cups, BPA free, hot and cold, dishwasher safe, straw friendly. So that's huge for me. I have a Yeti mug, and the lid that it comes with, you cannot put a straw through. At least not the particular straws that I use. It does not fit in there. So if you are one of those people like me, I'm weird. I have to have a straw. I don't like drinking through things that don't have straws. So I know that's strange, but that's just me. So here's the other lid. And this one is supposed to have like a vacuum seal, and it says to get the strong vacuum effect and no leaking, you put the lid on the tumbler while the closure is unlocked, and then once it's on, you can lock it. So that kind of seals it. So I'm going to test that out and see how well that works. They both come in there bubble wrapped. So this one you just pop up. That's what that one looks like, and we'll go ahead and open this one as well. So this one slides back, and those are kind of the lids that I prefer. I just think that they're easier, and it goes up just a tad so you can fit a straw in there. My straw is pretty wide, but they do make smaller stainless steel straws that I also have, so those do fit in there. So I'm going to try this one to see if we can do the vacuum seal thing. So it says to leave it open like that. So I'm going to remove this one, put this one on. And once that's really secure on there, I'm going to close this. And hopefully that vacuum sealed it. Let's test it. Yep. Huh, cool. That's important to me because I take a water container everywhere. And with the kids, as you know, Jackson, I'm trying to get him into the habit of bringing his own water bottle, but he doesn't always. So he wants to drink out of mine. And I cannot tell you how often I've been passing this in the back seat and he's dropped it in my brand new car and got all the carpet wet. And that's happened at least twice within the last few months. So not very fun. So this one clamps down. And I feel like that has a lot stronger of a clamp than ones I've previously used. Yeah, same thing with this one. Doesn't leak. Very awesome. I like the different options. I still think maybe this one's my favorite just because the opening is a little bit bigger for straws. But if you guys are interested in these, they do fit Yetis and all sorts of other tumblers. So they are pretty much universal. Like I said, there's a 20-ounce size and a 30-ounce size. And you could also just get single packs if you want. But if you're interested, I will put the link to Amazon where you can find them. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.